We finally arrived at video 9, the final video in the site lighting tutorial series. Continuing with step 13, we now have presentation option 2, Page Builder. Using Page Builder provides us with substantial flexibility in customizing our presentation into a multi-page document that can easily be printed to paper or to PDF. Click on the Page Builder tab to the right of the Model and the Render tabs. Page Builder Report dialog will appear, prompting you to select an existing report or to create a new one from scratch. Select the Open Existing Report tab to select from a list of factory-delivered report formats. When you save your own report templates, which is the best practice by the way, they will also be listed here. Select the Sample Letter Portrait template and click OK. The prepared pages in the sample report will be loaded into Page Builder. We can utilize the report pages in the way they are prepared, modifying them to suit our needs and deleting what we don't use. You can save the end result as a new report if you like, to begin working on your own template library. Notice the bottom of the Page Builder screen. We see buttons for the individual pages 1 through 4, as well as one marked Master. Page Builder has a Master Page feature that is used to place borders, title blocks, logos, disclaimers, and anything else that might be repetitive for each page in the report. Any information added to the master page will assume the same position on all pages currently integrated into the report. Click on the Edit Text button from the Drawing Toolkit. Notice the toolkits are different in Page Builder. We only have a Drawing and Schedules toolkit and a Page Builder toolkit. Edit Text. Roll the mouse to zoom in. Select a piece of text. We simply enter the new text in the dialog and click OK. Whoops. Maybe we want to do that again. Right-click to restart the command, select the text, and maybe we'll just chop off a piece of that. We can continue to edit any of the text in the title block, or obviously add our own title blocks using the drawing tools and the text tools to create our own unique look. Let's change the logo. Right-click on the AGI32 logo and select Properties. This is the image port editor. Image ports allow you to add bitmap graphics or pictures to your reports in JPEG format. Let's grab a different logo. Click Select New Image. Now click on the Browse button. We'll grab a different company logo. Go ahead and click OK. Notice we have some settings here. We don't want a border around it, and unlock the size in case you want to resize it. It's fine to shrink it, but avoid enlarging, because bitmaps will pixelate. Click on the Page 1 button to advance. Click on the Zoom Extents button. Notice this page already has 2 schedules shown, and they're populated with our project information. Schedules and viewports will automatically populate with your project information. We can edit these schedules to meet our needs. For example, from the Drawing and Schedules toolkit, select Edit Schedule. Click on the Luminaire schedule. Let's remove the lumens per lamp field, and we'll add arrangement watts. Just as we did in model mode, the schedule manager is exactly the same. We can easily move the Luminaire location summary schedule up underneath the Luminaire schedule and make room for additional schedules. We'll use the Move Drawing Entity command. Select the schedule, click a point to move from, and the point to move to. Let's add a calculation summary. Select the Schedule Manager, select the calculation summary. We'll use the default field selections. Click on the width of the label cell and change it to 20 characters. Now change the text size to 0.15. That's actually in inches. This is true size in Page Builder and not in scaled feet. This differs from adding text in model mode. Click OK. We'll drop the schedule right below the other one. One more addition to our page before moving on. As the schedules deal with summarizing our project, this is an ideal place to drop a photograph of the luminaire. Because this luminaire came from the Instabase, the Zlux sample database, it has a photograph associated with it automatically. Most of the manufacturers in the Instabase system will also have photographic images associated with their products. Click on the Image Port command in the Page Builder toolkit. The Add Image Port dialog appears. This dialog allows us to select images from the list of defined luminaires if they exist, as well as rendered views from render mode. This is also the same dialog we used previously to replace the logo, using the Browse button. We'll select the image for ZL Road LED 150. Let's include a border with this. We'll also leave the check mark in the description box. When we click OK, the image comes in the upper left corner of the page. We can simply drag it wherever we want it. Proceed to page 2 by clicking on the Page 2 button at the bottom of the screen. This page contains some unused schedules as well as the calculation summary we just added to page 1. We actually no longer need this page, so use the Delete Page command from the Page Builder toolkit. We'll just remove it from the report. Now click on the Page 2 button again to see the new page 2, which was formerly page 3. Notice this page already has our point-by-point information shown. Notice we also have schedules pasted below our point-by-point, which we used in video 8 when we did things in model mode. We'll probably want to get rid of those. It's a step that we probably wouldn't have done had we known we were going to Page Builder from the start. Let's go back to model mode. Let's zoom out a little bit. Let's use the Delete Drawing Entity Window command. And let's just window across the corner of all those schedules. Right-click to get rid of them. Zoom extents. Let's go back to Page Builder. Look at that. The schedules are gone. Page Builder can place any view you have created in AGI32's model mode on a page in any size or scale using a tool called a viewport. In this case, our sample report format was already saved with a viewport linked to the single view we've created in model mode. Click the right mouse button on the point-by-point view. From the menu, select Properties. Within this dialog, we can adjust the properties of the viewport. Change the scale of the view already placed by selecting the radio button to set a scale for the view. Enter 60 in the cell for a scale of 1 to 60. 1 inch equals 60 feet. Click OK, and we'll return to page 2. We can pan the view on the page by holding down the Control key and pressing the arrows. This way we can center the view on the page. It's going to be difficult to read the points at 1 inch equals 60 feet on a letter-sized piece of paper. We can spread the point-by-point output over multiple pages to get a better look. This might not be a bad idea. Let's copy page 2. We'll click on the Insert a Copy of Current Page command in the Page Builder toolkit. Notice we're now at page 3. Page 2 looks like we had it before. Page 3 is a copy. Let's right-click, select Properties again, and set the scale to 30 feet. So essentially we've doubled it in size. Now let's hold down the Control key and pan the view. There we have the left side of the lot. Let's do this again. Insert a copy of this page. So now we're on page 4. Click in the viewport and then hold down the Control key. Now let's pan so we see the right side of the lot. We can do this one more time. Copy the page. Now on page 5, click in the viewport. We can pan to see the top of the lot. We now have 3 extra pages within large portions of the plan. That should help when we print the report. Click on page 6 of the report. This is the last page, and in the factory supplied sample report, this page contains a large image port to house a rendered view. Since we have no renderings in this project, We can delete page 6 using the delete page command from the Page Builder toolkit. We're now ready to print the report. If you have a PDF generator installed, simply print to your PDF generator. File, print. We have a little bit of control. We can elect to print all pages or only the current page or some subset. We can even see a print preview. Page 1, page 2, page 3, 4, and 5. Print. And here's our PDF report. Look at that. That's pretty neat. To conclude the site lighting tutorial, we've completed many of the steps used in a typical exterior analysis. There are undoubtedly additional tools that can be employed, such as extending the project into a rendered environment, or adding obtrusive light calculations to satisfy LEED or the model lighting ordinance, among others. Be sure and consult our additional video content to see how you can apply these concepts. Please note, the completed file of this example is available in the sample files download as tutorialsitelighting.agi. Thanks for watching.